At a Sunlit Valley farm, a tight-knit crew tackles chores with humor as the barnyard pigs act like supervising auditors. A storm rolls in, and the team improvises a rain-powered irrigation plan while the cat becomes chief weather scout. The farmer recalls a grandma's tip about patience, turning muddy boots into trophies of small victories and stubborn corn. Children visit, animals perform antics, and a stubborn rooster finally approves a new feeding schedule with a triumphant crow. By dusk, lessons are shared, a community chipping in, and every smile proves farming is education dressed in warm mischief.